Laketown Wharf 819. We're going to give you guys an incredible condo tour right now. Stick around.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. I'm going to show you the views of the Gulf from the balcony here, but about maybe through the first 5 seconds inside, you're going to be like, how can I book this vacation spot? We're going to put the link in the description below. Oh, it's gorgeous. Alice, let's show them.
Wow.
All right, so it's December right now, and the Gulf is beautiful, and so is Alice.
Oh.
Do you guys like her new haircut? It's not really new. It's just been a while since she got a haircut.
About 3 days.
3 days.
But look at this.
So this was kind of an impromptu thing that we got invited in to come check this unit out. It's not for sale. This is a rental. So if you want to book a vacation here,
we'll have the link. Dolce Vita Getaways.
Yep, Dolce Vita Getaways. Maybe you can even just pause the video or take a snapshot, right? With your camera right now. Boom, here you go.
Oh, look at this Remodeled.
Since Alice doesn't have a microphone, like I said, we got kind of a impromptu invite to come inside and check this unit out. Stay close to me so that the camera picks you up. If you're also a Laketown Wharf owner, maybe you can get some ideas for if you want to remodel your place, right?
And how to make it to the next level.
Yeah, take it to the next level. Remodel ideas. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss the next condo tour or ideas on how to remodel yours.
So let me show you that.
Before we go in the bathroom, you got to see this.
Right. There's another sleeping.
You don't need to pull it all the way out. We get the idea, but
right.
My goodness, what a great idea. You can put another person here in the bunk area.
And have TVs on it.
Oh yeah, let's look at those. And then check out this bathroom. Large format tiles on the floor. Got the recessed lights.
Porch counter.
And the shower. Beautiful shower. So there's another unit that is almost done with its remodel that is gonna blow your mind. So that's what I was saying. I mean, this one's amazing already, but when I was saying make sure you're following the channel, because we're gonna be adding another one here pretty soon that has some pretty nifty ideas of even changing the flow or the layout, if you want to say something like that.
And even the details, you know, of encasing the windows. Mm-hmm. It just makes it so much nicer.
Yep. Couldn't agree more. Couldn't agree more. Another beautiful remodel of the shower. Look at these recessed lights. Got rid of the lights above the mirror that come standard, right? Again, large format tile in here. This is just so nice. So nicely redone.
And a king size bed.
And a king size bed. So unit 819.
If you want to book it.
If you want to book it, we've already showed you the QR code on the fridge, but we'll also drop a link in the description below if you want to stay here. Call to action. If you are an owner here and you want to sell a unit here, we're your sweethearts of real estate, experts in Laketown Wharf, and if you want to buy here,
give us a call.
Give us a call.
Help you. We know the good ones.
We know the good ones. All right, you guys, we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, all that YouTube stuff. Bye.